Secondary 1, Lesson 1, Unit 4. The third order of determinant. If A is a square matrix of order 3 by 3, where A equal what? A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Then, how many rows? 1, 2, 3. How many columns? 1, 2, 3. So the order 3 by 3. And how many elements? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, then the determinant of matrix A is denoted by letter A capital right between two line segment. Determinant A equal A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. The first element A11, I write, multiply what? What is this? This is a manner determinant. How to find a manner determinant this? We cross the first row and the second and the first column. A11 times manner determinant A22, A23, A32, A33 minus the second element in the first row. What is the second element in the first row? A12. I write A12 times the manner determinant. How to find the manner determinant? We make across the first row and the second column. What is the manner determinant? A21, A23, A31, A33 plus what is the third element in the first row? A13. I write A13 times what? Manner determinant. How to find? We make cross or cancel the first row and the third column. What is the manner? A21, A22, A31, A32. Now, how to find the value of determinant A22, A23, A32, A33? I write A11. Then, what is the principal diagonal? A22 and A33. We make product A22 times A33. A22 times A33 minus the product of the other diagonal A23 times A32 minus A12, this is the element, and open the bracket and find the product of the principal diagonal A21 times A33 minus the product of the other diagonal A23 times A31 plus what is the third element? A31. A31 and open the bracket and find the product of the principal diagonal A21 times A32 minus the product of the other diagonal A22 times A31. For example, find the value of determinant 4, -1, 3, 0, 5, -2, 0, -3, -1 equal 4. This is the first element in the first row and the first column. Now The manner determined. We cancel the first row and the first column. The manner determined 5, -2, -3, -1. What is the second element? -1. Negative times -1. Manner determined. We cancel the first row and the second column. What is the manner determined? 0, -2, 0, -1. Now, plus, what is the third element in the first row? 3. We write 3, and we cancel the first row and the third column. What is the manner? 0, 5, 0, -3. 0, 5, 0, -3. Now, equal what? Equal 4 the times or the product of the principal diagonal 5 times -1 minus the product of the other diagonal -2 times -3 minus -1. This is the what? The second element in the first row times, open the bracket, the principal diagonal 0 and -1, the product of 0 times -1 minus the product of the other diagonal -2 times 0, -2 times 0 plus the third element 3 times, open the bracket, the product of the principal diagonal 0 times -3, 0 times -3 minus 5 times 0. The first bracket 4 times 5 times -1 equal -5, -2 times -3 equal -6, -2 times -3 equals 6, and negative, you write negative, -5 minus 6 plus negative times negative, give it to me positive. 1 times 0 minus 0, because 0 times any number equals 0, plus 3 times 0 minus 0. What is the answer? 4 times -11 equal -44. Another example 2. Find the value of the determinant 3, 0, -5, -2, 4, 1, 7, -3, 6. Equal what? We could take the first element in the first row and first column, 3 times a manner determinant. We make cancel the first row and first column. Manner determinant 4, 1, -3, 6. 4, 1, -3, 6 minus, what is the second element? 0, 0 times what? Manner determinant. How to find manner determinant? Repeat again. We cancel the first row and the second column. -2, 1, 7, 6 plus the third element -5. -5 times the product times or product the manner determinant. What is the manner determinant? -2, 4, 7, -3. -2, 4, 7, -3. 3, open the bracket, the product of the principal diagonal 4 times 6 minus the product of the other diagonal -3 times 1 minus 0 times the product of the principal diagonal -2 times 6 minus the product of the other diagonal 1 times 7. -5 times, open the bracket, the product of the principal diagonal -2 times -3 minus the product of the other diagonal 4 times 7. The middle term equals 0 because 0 multiply any number equals 0. Now simplify. 3, open the bracket, 4 by 6 equal 24. -3 times 1 equal -3 times the negative, give it to me +3. -5 times -2 times -3 equal what? Equal 6. -4 times 7 equal -28. 24 plus 3 equal 27. And 6 minus 28 equal -22. يبقى 3 times 27 equal 54 plus -5 times -22 equal 110. يبقى 54 plus 110 equal 164. Second, determinant of triangular matrix. Look, this matrix 2, 3, 0, 4, matrix of order 2 by 2. Look here, 1, 2, 3, 0, 4, 5, 0, 0, 6. This is matrix of order 3 by 3. Another matrix, -1, 0, 0, 2, -4, 0, 5, -1, 2. Look at the principal diagonal. Above 3, down 0. Above the principal diagonal 2, 3, 5, down 0, 0, 0. The principal diagonal here, -1, -4, 2. Above 0, 0, 0, down 2, 5, -1. Triangular matrix is a matrix in which all its elements above or below the principal diagonal are what? Are zeros. The value of triangular matrix equal the product of each principal diagonal, like A11, A12, A13, 0, A22, A23, 0, 0, A33. What is the principal diagonal? The principal diagonal A11, A22, A33. Find the product A11 times A22 times A33. Example 3. Find the value of the determinant. -1, 2, 5, 0, 3, -4, 0, 0, -2. What is the principal diagonal? The principal diagonal -1, 3, -2. Above 2, 5, -4. Below 0, 0, 0. What is it? Is triangular matrix. Then equal what? -1 times 3 times -2. -1 times 3 equal -3 times -2 equal what? Equal 6. This is the final answer. Good luck.